Oh, favorite street food! Quick. And then, ang tawag dun, guys, yung quick. Tapos, yung sabaw niya, guys, yung sibuyas na may, suka. Iniinom ko yun after. Tapos, ano pa ba? Anong tawag do? Yung dugo.
What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? I know. Vampire, right?
Yeah, sobrang sarap na. Yung dugo. Perfect. Betamax! Ang galing niya doon, hindi ko alam yun, guys, ha? Betamax. Wow! Balot, of course! I eat balot. Kumakain akong balot, guys. Sobrang sarap ng balot. Balutin mo ako. Ay, iba pala yun. Sorry po.